Hello everyone, today we will be discussing Cortex, a revolutionary technology that is changing the way we understand and protect our hearing and brain health. Cortexi is a state-of-the-art, non-invasive brain-computer interface that enables direct communication between the brain and electronic devices. Developed by experts in neuroscience and biotechnology, Cortexi works using advanced brain scanning and wireless communication technology to bypass traditional barriers in the brain and computer communication pathways. The Cortexi concept is based on the understanding that our brain is constantly processing and communicating with the surrounding environment. By creating a direct connection between the brain and electronic devices, Cortexi allows us to access this internal communication network and improves our cognitive abilities. There are several ways Cortexi can benefit our hearing health. First, it can help identify and overcome hearing loss by providing real-time feedback on hearing status. This allows individuals to modify their hearing aids or develop new hearing protection strategies to improve their auditory perception. In addition, Cortexi can also be used to help people with auditory hallucinations or other conditions that affect their perception of sound. By communicating directly with the brain, Cortexi could help regulate these conditions and improve an individual's overall auditory experience. Furthermore, Cortexi has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach brain rehabilitation. It could be used to help patients with stroke, traumatic brain injury, and neurological disorders regain control of their motor and cognitive functions through real-time brain-computer interaction. In short, Cortexi is a fascinating technology that has the potential to transform our understanding and protection of hearing and brain health. Thanks to continued research and development, we can expect even more innovative applications of this technology in the coming years. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the possibilities of Cortex.